Check, check, mic check. Let's get this junk out of the way. That's what we're good at, cleaning shit up. I'm currently at the coast of Zeeland. The northern, no, not the northern, it's the southwest part of the Netherlands, Zeeland, South Holland. Look it up. And this is another house I rent for 3 weeks now. It's quite nice. I rented it before in another vacation park, family park, and well, the last trailer was cheap, but yeah, it came with some cons, like fungus. But hey, the price was yeah, it was dirt cheap. But anyways, how do you like the setup? Fixed my little light setup. It's quite hot in here. Actually, it's got a gas fireplace. It's quite nice, but I turn it off because it's getting real hot. It's getting warm, like global warming, right? Comes with a remote, quite handy. So I can turn it off like that. Boom. No more heat. What? I didn't say stop recording. What is this? Start recording. Start recording. Technology, huh? Unbelievable. So, what were we doing? We have a look at the iPad. Just clean my table. I like clean houses. I like clean environments. Let's see how it opens. Okay, I think I don't need a knife. What is this? This noise outside? Neighbors. Get rid of this. Don't actually need this, I think. Don't need a knife. Okay. Okay. I was expecting to a nice smooth drop, smooth lift. Okay. All right, there it is. New iPad mini. It's a good size. Yes, it's a nice size. I'm glad about the size.
That's what she said.
Got a cable. It's lightning cable. Designed by Apple in California. Manufactured by little Chinese children. Let's see. So stick this, put this on my cases. I don't know. Do I read it? I don't know. Probably not. So let's put it aside. Let's put it aside. Right, boom, and it's away. Clean desk policy. I always supported clean desk policy. People whom I worked with know that. Okay, got a plastic cover. Nice. As you can see, I bought the dark gray, space gray. What is this? What to do with this? Just throw it away. Throw it away, this plastic. Start recording. Don't overheat. It's got a fingerprint reader. What is the on and off? Oh, yeah. Apple logo, right? Record this. You record this. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to walk you through the install process. It's rather straightforward. But I like the size. I like the. You see, this is in the middle. I will fix it in the middle of the dashboard console, so I have a much greater screen to navigate on. Maybe try some other apps, overlanding apps or navigation apps, weather apps. Oh, I don't know what it does. Hello. Home button. Okay. I will do it later. It has one of the nicest screens, and I will install, of course, an update operation system very soon, and then yeah, we have to utilize it. We shall and we will utilize everything we buy, or we modify it, we chop it, we screw it, we saw, we cut, you know, we personalize, upgrade. It's what we do. Hope you like it. Follow that journey. Stop recording. Stop recording. Good. You see that? It listens. It stopped recording. Stop recording.